Now one more example is here given in your textbook related to the environmental conservation by human beings. This is the big story of a small man, that is Jadhav Molai Payeng is a highly capable person born in nomadic tribes of Assam. Means in Assam area he was born. Name is Jadhav Malai Payeng, and the man is the person who has planted the trees near about. He has planted in the area of 1360 acres. Means he has recreated the jungle. So the his story is here in with us. So he is working as a forest worker since the age of 16 years without pay. Forest worker means he was doing that with his own interest. Understood? Means he was not having some pay was not given to him. And once the large number of snakes died in the flooded of Brahmaputra river following by the village as a preventive measure, Molai planted 20 bamboo plantlets to avoid so that the snake would not flow in the flood. They must have some resistance, or you can say the mud should be stopped so that the flood, the possibility or the happen would stop. Understood? As the prevention measure, the Malay planted 20 bamboo plantlets, means small plants of bamboo. Then in 1979 the local social forestry department began a social afforestation project on 200 acres of land. Afforestation means to avoid the cutting of the tree. And then Molai was the one of the few forest workers who were looking after that project, and that's why the Molai continue to plant the tree even after completion of the project. And as a result of his continuous work of planting and caring of the tree, the barren area witnessed the forest cover over the 1360 acres. So this extra work was non-paid to the Molai. Understood? He has done this to preserve our environment, or the environment near his area. So today this jungle is Kolinmauk of Jorhat district of Assam, and is result of the hard work for 30 years. Understood? He has taken 30 years to replant that whole jungle, and he has been awarded with the prestigious Padma Shri award by Government of India for this unparalleled work. Now it is well known that Molai jungle, many people come together to destroy the forest, but a single person is determined and can establish the new forest. So this is the spirit that we should also keep, and we should though we cannot plant the forest, but we should keep on planting every year, and to maintain that plant till it grow in a better condition. This we can do, definitely do. So this is the season, okay, season for rainy season. So you should plant some tree and take its care so that it will grow by its own, and then in next year we should plant one or two trees, not much, so that we can take a care and responsibility. That will also work for under environmental conservation.